Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I will show you how to locate your timeline's WTL or webinar timeline value. Before we start, you might be wondering why you would need this information. This is because advanced setups may require the WTL value, and some of our advanced tutorials reference a WTL value. This will be a quick tutorial as it's pretty easy to get or locate this information. To start, please log into your AEvent account. Click on the timeline section from the left-hand side menu. Open the timeline you want to get the WTL value for. Over here on the address bar is where you'll get that information. This highlighted value is the timeline's WTL. Please note that WTL is unique per timeline. That would be all for this video. Told you it's a quick one. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.